Hey everyone, it's me Paul. We're doing a repair on a Tesla 3 this evening. Had a big repair this morning. A Lincoln, the front bumper cracked. I did a repair, and they need to get this one done. And it's got a split here, and the back light has broken away from the back of the light broke away. So I'm gonna epoxy that back into place again, and then paint and clear coat this whole area. And see if we can get it done by, say, maybe, hopefully 10 o'clock tonight we'll be done. I think I need a shop. Let's get started. Okay, got a two-part epoxy. It's gonna go in and pre-mix. I'm gonna do an injection, like a doctor. Okay. Let's see, you get a close-up. Ready? Basting turkeys. I'm going to clean up just a little bit more in here, but it's holding pretty good. There's a big pad back there. It almost seems like it's attached that away anyway, like welded on. They do that with the sensor. Sometimes it's melted into the back of the bumper and it breaks loose. Oh, you gotta buy a new bumper, and it just melts it back in or epoxy it back in. Anyway, so I'm gonna heat this up, press that back down, heat this up, manipulate that plastic a little bit. I'll put a couple of stainless steel staples in here to help hold it. Okay, I soldered these two together to create a base. Now I'm going to put the little staples in. They go in and then release, and then I grind down the tabs. Okay, that's in there. Tough down here also. Got everything prepped, the blend area, everything, and I'm going to go ahead and tack it off, and we're going to start painting. Okay, got the base coat on. I'm going to tack off a little bit of the overspray, and then we're going to spray the mid coat. Okay, I got the mid coat on, everything laid out good, blended out good, and that's all dry. And now for the clear coat. Okay, got the clear coat laid out, blended out the clear coat. I'm gonna buff that area, and then I'm just gonna do a little bit of wet sanding and buffing because everything laid out pretty slick, and we'll untape everything and then call it a night. It's already 12 o'clock. Okay, it is 12:30 at night. Whew. Finally finished. This one took about 5 or 6 hours, somewhere in there, I'm not counting. Yeah, 6 hours to complete. And it's ready to drive. The light, the epoxy, that's back in place. The hole that was here, that's all melted back again. Same thing down here, blended it in, and it's ready to drive. So any questions that you may have, feel free to contact me. And good night and have a good day. Bye.